This video shows the bridging activity for the patient. Here, the therapist first flexes both the knees of the patient. Now, the therapist is asked to take his weight on both ankles and wrist. The therapist assists the pelvic from back and lifts the patient's back. This is bridging position taught to the patient for maintaining the stability as well as developing the strength of the back muscles. In this position, trunk rotation is also taught to the patient. Here, the therapist moves head in opposite direction while trunk is rotated in another direction. Similarly, the head turns in opposite to that of the rotation of the trunk. In this video, gripping is taught to the patient on affected side. Here, the patient is in prone position. Now, the therapist assists the affected shoulder of the patient in flexion and same side hip in flexion, abduction and rotation. Now, the patient creeps with the help of the therapist. In this video, prone on elbow, prone on hand, quadruped position and cat and camel activity is taught to the patient. The patient is in prone position. Now, the therapist assists the patient to move his trunk backward. Thus, prone on elbow position is achieved. Now, for prone on hand, the therapist assists the patient and straighten both the elbows. This way, prone on hand is taught to the patient. From prone on hand, quadruped position is achieved. Here, the therapist assists the patient's back, moving it backward in such a way that hip and knee remains in 90 degrees of flexion. Thus, quadruped position is achieved by the patient. In this video, cat and camel activity is taught to the patient for anterior and posterior pelvic tilt. Here, the therapist assists the patient to achieve camel and cat position. This way, anterior and posterior pelvic tilt are taught to the patient. In this video, crawling is taught to the patient. Here the patient is in quadruped position. Now, the therapist moves one hand of the patient in flexion and abduction while the opposite leg is moved in flexion and abduction. Similarly, with the other hand in flexion and abduction and opposite leg in flexion and abduction, crawling is taught to the patient. In this video, kneel sitting, kneeling and half kneeling and standing is taught to the patient from quadruped position. Here, for kneel sitting, the therapist assists the pelvic, moves it posteriorly. Thus, kneel sitting position is achieved by the patient. Now, for kneeling, the therapist moves both the hand of the patient on his shoulder, now assisting the pelvic and back, moving it forward. Kneeling position is achieved. From kneeling position, half kneeling is taught to the patient. Here, the therapist moves the affected leg of the patient such a way that it remains in 90-90 position. Thus, half kneeling is achieved. Here the balance is maintained by the patient to achieve half kneeling to standing position. Now the therapist support the pelvic of the patient. Thus from this half kneeling standing position is taught to the patient.